Hello, I am Gauri. Let us see chapter 9, motion and types of motion. So, change of a place of an object is called displacement. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Let us see one example. Aeroplane flies in the sky. So, it takes off from ground and flies in the sky. So there is a change of position. Car runs on the road. So what is motion? The continuous displacement of an object is motion. वस्तू एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी मार्गक्रमण करते. So this is now next. There are different types. First type is linear motion. The motion of an object in straight line is called linear motion. Car moves along the road in a straight line. This is a train. It also moves on the train in straight line. Now next types are circular motion. Next type is circular motion. Motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Example of a fan. Fan rotates in circular path. Now next type is periodic motion. The motion of an object which passes through certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. So let us see one example. So this is the second. This is minute hand. It moves in clockwise direction in 60 minutes. Whereas this is second hand. So it rotates. It completes one rotation in 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. This is second hand. And this is minute hand. So in specific time it completes one rotation. So this is a periodic motion. Now oscillatory motion. The motion of this is a pendulum. So motion of a body that is oscillating, swinging back and forth. म्हणजे पुढे आणि मागे स्विंगिंग मोशन झुलण्याची जी आहे. सो दिस इज अ पेंडुलम ऑफ अ क्लॉक अँड दिस इज अ स्विंग. सो swinging motion, it is known as oscillatory motion. Now coming to random motion. So motion which changes its direction and speed continuously. Motion which changes its speed and direction continuously. Both are changing. Here speed is also changing and direction is also changing. So this is a ball. So speed is also changing and direction is also changing. Now this butterfly flies in the sky. So both direction is changing as well as speed is changing. So this is a random motion. So both speed is also changing and direction is also changing. Now definition of a speed. The distance traveled by an object in unit time, it is known as speed. Coming to exercise. Question number 1. Identify the types of motion. So movement of the earth around the sun, it is a periodic motion. So earth rotates in ellipsoidal orbit. So this is a periodic motion. Movement of ceiling fan, it is a circular motion. Motion of a rocket, it is random motion. The plucked string of a sitar, it is a oscillatory motion. Next is a ball is released from terrace of a building. It comes down in linear motion. On the other hand, it reaches to ground in non-uniform linear motion. So next question, the motion of aeroplane on runaway before takeoff, it is a linear motion. Next is children sitting on rotating joint wheel have a uniform circular motion, whereas those sitting in merry-go-round, it is a non-uniform circular motion. So this is a giant wheel, it is uniform circular motion, whereas this merry-go-round, it is a non-uniform circular motion. Next question. Write down the difference. Oscillatory motion and linear motion. In oscillatory motion, body swings back and forth. Example is motion of a swing or a pendulum of a clock. In linear motion, an object shows displacement in straight line. Aeroplane motion, train, linear motion. In linear motion, an object shows displacement in a straight line. So example is train or car, motion of marching soldiers. Next is difference between linear motion and random motion. Motion in a straight line is called linear motion, motion of a train or a car. Now random motion, the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Motion of a bird in sky. Next difference is random motion and oscillatory motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Motion of a butterfly. The motion of a body that is swinging back and forth is oscillatory motion. Pendulum of a clock, oscillatory. मागे पुढे जसं पेंडुलम मागे पुढे होतो, that is a oscillatory motion. In random motion, both are changed, speed and direction. Next question, explain in your words, giving one example each. Oscillatory motion. The motion of a body swinging back and forth is oscillatory motion. Next is circular motion. The motion of an object in next is circular motion. Motion of an object along the circular path. Next is periodic motion. Repetitive motion, in which moving object passes through certain point again and again after a fixed point, it is called as periodic motion. The minute hand of a clock. So example of this periodic motion is So this is a periodic motion. What is repetitive motion? In which it is a repetitive motion in which the object passes through certain point again and again. So again and again it is returning to this marking of 12. So what is periodic motion? Repetitive motion in which moving object passes through certain point again and again. Next is, which types of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? Answer is random motion. Next is moment of a seesaw. It is a oscillatory motion. Next is motion of a moving ant. And it is a random motion because it walks and runs in different direction. Thus, next is marching army soldiers. So that is a linear motion. Train approaching a station, it is non-uniform linear motion because it slows down near the station. Next question is, fill in the blanks. Now define this random motion, the motion that changes its speed and direction both. Choose correct word. The baby crawling, the motion is said to be random motion. The children are sitting having 50 meters running race. The motion exhibited is linear motion because they run in straight line. Next question. The motion of a pendulum clock, it is a oscillatory motion. Motion of butterfly from one flower to another flower, it is a random motion. Now write in detail about your experience of various types of motion while riding a bicycle on road. So which types of motion are observed? First is, the bicycle runs in a straight line. So the bicycle shows linear motion. Now next, about wheel of the bicycle. The wheels of the bicycle show circular motion. Next is, cycle chain shows periodic motion if its speed is uniform. Chain, so this chain, it completes one rotation in non-circular path. So this is a periodic motion. Now next is, the handlebar shows random motion because when we change the direction, handle turns around along that direction. Now complete this puzzle. So just fill in the blanks. First is, a spring is stretched and at one end and released. So number 1, it is a oscillatory motion. A minute hand, it is a circular motion. Number 2, number 3, seesaw, it is a periodic motion. Next is 4th, stone, children in a march past, it is a uniform linear motion. Last one is stool rolling down a hillside or mountain. So that is a random motion. So it is a easy chapter. So complete it. Okay.